Back to Product Zone. Today we have the brand new electric chainsaw sharpener. If you're tired of buying expensive chains, or you're having a hard time replacing them, save money by get this tool. This tool, it's easy to use. I'll show you guys how to use it. It's sharpen up. It has a guide right there too. It sharpen up your chainsaw within minutes. And I have to tell you, I didn't use it on my chainsaw alone. I used it on my trimmer over there, and it did an amazing job. Within minutes, the tool is lightweight. It's a good budget price, come with a lot of extra stuff, so this would last you for a while. If you take care of your tools, it'll last you for years, and this will save you so much money. So don't just keep throwing out your chains. Pretty cool. I love the black and orange color on it. And now I'm gonna tell you real quick what we have a little guider. When you sharpen up your chainsaw, we have 4 different tools to sharpen the chainsaw blade, different size to fit different chainsaw. And then we got an Allen key, we got a next Allen key, and this, it looks like a little gauge for measuring which one works for your blade. So that's pretty cool. Now we're gonna put this to the test. Easy. It has different 6 different speed. That's pretty cool, right? And then if you push this button right here, this is like the safety lock right here. You press this button, then you could turn this out and pop in your stuff. We're gonna unscrew this and then put everything on. So it has a little hook right here too, so you could hang it up after you finish or whatever you're doing. We got our little adjustment guide there. We got our sharpener in there. We're gonna put it on the on button right here. Lightweight, does not make a lot of noise. And this right here, you could put it on here first, the guide, and then adjust your the guide thing to help you guide and sharpen up the blade easy. All you gotta do is put it a little around like that, turn it a little angle. You don't need to hold it on, you don't need to put it there too long, because this thing is brand new and it will sharpen very fast. Get a brand new chain right here. We're gonna turn it up so you guys could hear the different speed. The 6. Whoa, now that's good power right there. But for the price, you can't go wrong for this tool. Check in the description box below. It's a good tool for the price, and it's lightweight. It's a good quality, and I love the color. I love the feeling of it. It does a pretty good job so far. If your blade is sharpened, you could make an easy cut, clean cut, and it gets your job done faster. All right, so check in the description box for price and details. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video coming up on Product Zone. Overall, it's a good company. Cannot go wrong.